They're always kind here, even to strangers with phones.
I've never seen another me before. She has better hair.
I don't know what we're fighting for anymore, but at least I got 3 new followers today.
Wait, did I leave the blaster in the cafeteria?
Guys, something's watching me. Oh my god, it's a huge puppy.
Alright friends, in my last video I showed you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create Bigfoot and Yeti vlog style videos. After that, some of you asked how to make Bible characters vlogs. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Oh, and by the way, Stormtrooper vlogs are blowing up right now too, so I'll also walk you through how to make one of those. And at the end of this video, I'll be giving away a free template worth $25, so stick around. If you haven't subscribed yet, do me a favor and hit that button. It helps me out a lot. Now let's dive in. Step 1. Get the video script. No need to overthink it. Just copy the link of a video you like, head over to this website, and download the video to your computer. Then open ChatGPT. Upload the downloaded video and type, "This is a video made with VO3. If I also want to make a similar video of Jesus with first-person perspective, POV, like he hold a phone for selfie, which scenes do you think can be generated?" In just seconds, ChatGPT will give you an 8-scene storyboard, complete with descriptions, mood, and voiceover lines. If you like the result, move on to the next step. If not, no worries. Just ask ChatGPT to revise it until it feels right. For this demo, let's keep going. Now input this. I need detailed VO3 prompt for each scene, and if the character has voiceover lines that match the current shot, they also must be in the prompt. Boom. 8 detailed VO3 prompts with matching voiceovers. Not totally happy with the result? Try this prompt instead. Optimize the prompts. The perspective is mainly the first-person view of Jesus' mobile phone camera, like a selfie angle. Now the prompts will look and feel a lot better. Step 2. Generate the video. Head to Google Flow. Click New Project, and then set up your model. I strongly recommend picking VO3 Fast Text-to-Video Beta Audio because it only costs 20 credits per generation. If it turns out bad, you won't feel the pain of wasting a bunch of credits. If you want top quality and have credits to burn, go for VO3 quality, but it'll cost 100 credits per video. Ouch. Now paste your prompt and hit generate. Just like that, your first shot is done.
Another beautiful morning. I wonder who I'll meet today.
And the voice sync, chef's kiss. Repeat the process for each scene.
They're always kind here, even to strangers with phones.
Download the clips to your computer, and then use CapCut to stitch them into one complete vlog. Now for the Stormtrooper vlog, go back to ChatGPT. In the same chat, input this prompt. Imagine that with the same handheld selfie perspective, if Jesus is replaced by a Stormtrooper from Star Wars, help me generate a 6 to 8 scene plot that is engaging, interesting, and suitable for the explosive characteristics of YouTube and TikTok. Don't generate VO3's prompt words first, generate the plot first. Now you've got your 8-scene storyboard for the Stormtrooper vlog. Like what you see? Great. Next input. Now generate the VO3 prompts and matching voiceover lines for each scene. Done. You've got your VO3 ready prompt set. Go back to Google Flow, generate each clip one by one, and download them. Some of you told me your VO3 clips had no sound. Don't worry, later in this video, I'll give you a template to ensure video and audio sync correctly. By the way, Gemini lets you generate 3 free VO videos per day. I didn't want to waste them, so I created an Atom vlog script using ChatGPT and ran it through Gemini. But when I just copied the prompt directly, the clothes ended up looking modern. That's when I realized you have to describe the character's appearance clearly if you want visual consistency. So I added, "He is wearing fig leaf clothes." Then I regenerated the video, and it looked way more consistent. So keep this in mind. Add details like hair color, clothing style, color, and more, just like when generating images with AI. The more specific you are, the better the results. Last step, editing. Use CapCut to piece everything together. Zoom in slightly to remove any watermarks. If you're posting on TikTok, crop each scene into square format or just stick with 16:9. Most creators do it this way. But here's the key. Make sure your video is at least 1 minute long. That's why you need 7-8 scenes per story. Oh, almost forgot. If you need a fully monetized TikTok account, check out this website. It might just be what you're looking for. Use the promo code Monetize with AI at checkout for an extra 5% off. You'll find the link in the description. All right, let's take a look at some video examples I've made.
Another beautiful morning. I wonder who I'll meet today.
They're always kind here, even to strangers with phones.
Even the chosen ones know how to have fun.
You don't need to believe in me. Just believe in love.
Peace is found where you stop trying to control the waves. Storms don't scare me. They remind me who I am.
Even I wonder, would I follow myself?
This isn't the end. It's just the beginning.
Helmet on. Blaster charged. Emotional stability? TBD.
We're supposed to listen to Lord Vader, but I can't stop staring at his cape.
Let's go! First shot, first hit. They curved the lasers, I swear.
Think I just made a friend or an enemy. Hard to tell.
The GPS said turn left at Tatooine Dune #57. Which dune?
Under fire. Regret joining. But views are up. Worth it? I don't know what we're fighting for anymore, but at least I got 3 new followers today.
Wait, did I leave the blaster in the cafeteria?
Another glorious day serving the Empire. Coffee first, questions later.
Hi. I think I just got born?
Bro, you're kind of cool. N-O-P-E, nope, no P, nope. I invented light. I'm on fire, why is it hot?
I've never seen another me before. She has better hair.
Now I know what you're thinking. These are cool, But what if I want to make a whole series of Stormtrooper vlogs or Bible vlogs? Easy. Go back to ChatGPT and type this prompt. I want to create more videos of 1-minute AI-generated vlog style featuring a fictional character like Stormtrooper from Star Wars. The video should be funny, relatable, and structured like a social media vlog, something that could go viral on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. The characters should have a clear personality, chill, overconfident, curious, etc. Each video should revolve around a specific theme or activity, such as cooking, building things, reviewing gadgets, performing tasks, daily equipment maintenance, or documenting daily routines. Give me 5 viral video scripts first. Now you've got 5 new ideas. Then follow up with, I've chosen the following video idea. 1. POV, Stormtrooper tries cooking rations. Now, I want you to break this video into 8 short scenes, each around 6 to 8 seconds, that together make a complete 1-minute vlog-style story. For each scene, give me a short description of what happens, a visual prompt I can use with Google Veo 3, describe the shot, camera angle, character appearance, setting, lighting, make it cinematic and consistent. A short voiceover line, 1 to 2 sentences max, casual and vlog-style tone. Keep the character the same in every scene. The scenes should be funny, expressive, and make sense visually even without much context. Let's keep the story light and entertaining like a real influencer vlog. Boom. You've got your 8-scene viral-ready Google Veo 3 video prompt. Got all that? Oh, and all the prompts I used in this video? I'll share them for free in my WhatsApp channel. Click the link in the video description to join. It's free. Bonus, you'll also get early access to my newest videos. Alright guys, if you liked this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. That really helps me keep creating tutorials like this one. If you have questions or want me to explore a new niche, drop a comment below. I read everyone and reply when I can. And don't forget to stop by the channel from time to time. You might just find some fresh inspiration. Who knows, right? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck!